Hello everyone and welcome to my video of utility maximization by constraint optimization method. In constraint optimization method, we optimize any function with its constraint. In this method, we use Lagrangian method. In Lagrangian method, we set our constraint or budget equals to 0, by which we will get 6 minus x minus y equals to 0. After that, we will multiply it with lambda. Then the last step is adding it with the unity function, by which we will get a new equation, which is z equals to xy plus lambda minus 6 minus x minus lambda multiplied by 6 minus x minus y. We will partially derivate this equation with respect to x, with respect to y, and with respect to lambda. As you can see, I have already partially derivated this equation with respect to x, with respect to y, and with respect to lambda. By partially derivating it with respect to x, I get y minus lambda equals to 0. Then partially derivating with y, I get x minus lambda equals to 0. Then partially derivating with lambda, I get 6 minus x minus y equals to 0. Now from first equation and second equation, we will put together and we will find that lambda equals to lambda, or we can say x equals to y. Now we will put this x equals to y in our budget equations, which is 6 minus x minus y. Now we will put instead of x y. As you can see, I have already substituted y instead of x. Now then we will get 6 minus 2y equals to 0, by which we will get the value of our y, which is 3. Similarly, we will now we already know that x is equals to y, therefore x is also 3 and y is also 3. Now we will check this utility function by bordered Hessian. By bordered Hessian is a matrix which we optimize, and the bordered it is called bordered because in this it is constraint. There is a presence of constraint, which is we can say in this equation our prices, a budget of the budget of the consumer. Now we will substitute in bordered Hessian. We use fxx, the x term, the variable of x in partial derivative equation of x, variable of y in partial derivative equation of x. Then gx is the value of variable of x in partially derivative equation of lambda. When we partially derivative the equation we get by partial derivating with lambda. Similarly, we will in next column we will use fyx, which is the variable of x when we of the equation which we get by partial derivating with y. Then fyy, which is the value of variable of y of the equation which we got by partial derivating with y. Then gy is the value of variable of y of the equation which we got after partial derivating with lambda. And in third column we will use gx, gy and 0. Gx is the value of variable of x in the equation which we got by partial derivating of partial derivating with lambda, and gy is the value which we got of the same equation of the variable of y of the same equation. Now substituting these values, we get the matrix of 0 1 minus 1 1 0 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 0. We will find the determinant of this equation of this matrix, which is 0 multiplied by 0 minus 1 minus 1 multiplied by 0 minus 1 minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 minus 0. We got the value 2. Now if the bordered Hessian is positive, then it is a maximum function, and if it is negative, then it is a minimum function. Thank you.